Hi ladies, I'm so excited to be here to do this tutorial with you. I'm going to be showing you how to do your own stage glam. So if you've been wanting to know how to do your own competition makeup, you have come to the right place. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. I'm going to show you all the products, everything you need to crush your stage glam. So everything that I'm going to be using is from Angel Competition Bikini's new makeup line. It's called Radiant by ACB. So here we go. My most recent stage look, and I absolutely love it. Radiant by ACB has everything that you need to complete your stage look. First things first, I'm going to start with a clean face, and then also I have my primer here. I'm just going to take a little bit of that primer and go all over. The first thing we're going to do is start with our brows. So I'm going to take a spoolie brush and just brush my brows up so that I can get the shape. Now let's fill in. You can take a brow pomade or whatever you need and just fill in your brows. We're going to start at the tail, and I'm going to define that tail and fill in. I'm so glad that you're here and that you are deciding to do your own makeup. You're going to find that you're going to save a ton of time and a ton of money. That was my motivating factor, was like being able to do this by myself on my own schedule, because when you're doing a show, you have to wake up super, super early if you want to have your makeup done by the show's makeup artist, which it's nothing wrong with that, but it does add up time and money-wise. So save your sleep, save your money, and you can do your makeup yourself. All it takes is just a little bit of practice. So just like you practice your posing, you want to practice your stage look. And you can totally do this. Okay, so I just like to finish my eyebrows by doing like some little hair strokes in the front to make it more natural. Okay. Next, we're going to take our concealer and we are going to shape underneath our brows and draw that all the way down on our eyelids. This is going to give such a nice base for our eyeshadow. So I'm just very cleanly getting as close to I can under my brow, just like that. And then, as I said, we're going to make a nice base for our eyeshadow. I love to do this with a nice flat brush. That way you can get it like really, a really precision and fine line underneath your brow. Just like that. Okay. Now on to the other side. Okay, now that I have my concealer underneath both of my eyebrows and my eyebrows are done, I'm going to take that brush again and I'm going to just kind of frame my eyebrows in the front and the top. This is just going to give just a really nice clean look. And then blend that in, or blend that out rather. Just like that. So you're just kind of framing your brows, and see how just nice and clean and pretty that is. And then of course, same with the other side. And if you're wondering where you can get this kit from, this is Radiant by ACB, Radiant by Angel Competition Bikinis. It's their new makeup line. And it comes with literally everything, or you can just buy a la carte, just piece by piece, whatever you need. There we go. Next, now on to eyeshadows. We have a gorgeous little eyeshadow palette, but I'm actually going to use my contour palette because this has some really pretty colors in it too. I'm going to use this color as like a light matte for underneath my brow, and then I'm going to use a medium color for my crease. So I'm just going to take and put that light matte underneath my brow bone, blend, and that medium brown there for my crease. And just making sure we blend. Next, I am going to use this nice, pretty pinkish shimmer eyeshadow on my lids. You always want to put your shimmer and your darker color, like your colors on your lid. And I love to pick up shimmer eyeshadow with my fingers because you can really, really just place that color on exactly where you want it to go. And don't worry about the mess. We're going to clean that all up. Just like that. Then again, with your brush, you just want to just clean everything up. Now, to create a smoky eye, I'm going to take this dark matte color here. And right in the corner and the crease, I'm just going to add that. And then, of course, blend that out. Okay, let's do our face now. So, Radiant by ACB, if you buy the kit, it's going to come with a couple foundation colors, or you can just, like I said before, just select what you need. So, and I love that you can get these multiple colors and just kind of mix them to come up with your own shade, right? Because you know when you get your tan, different tan companies are going to show up differently. So your tan can look different at every single show. So you can get this makeup and just mix it and just like customize it to your tan every single time. So this little sponge I'm using, you can use this to blend in your makeup. You can use a brush if you prefer that. You can also use your blending sponge here. And I actually dampened this. I ran this under water, squeezed out all the excess, and then you can blend that way too. Whichever way you prefer. I think I'm going to show you all the ways. So if you take your brush, this is the quickest way. And then when you get around to your eyes, sweep up in a diagonal motion. That way you're going to get a nice clean line. And if you like, you can go ahead and just do your wing too with your eyeliner. But we're going to do all that last. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend in this foundation. See, this is much, much easier than you thought it was going to be, right? It's so easy. Make sure you get back up into your hairline. And now I just like to finish up with my sponge. So I'm just going to continue to blend that in. And I'm not swiping, I'm just dabbing. I'm kind of actually pressing the makeup into my skin. Just like so. Okay. we are moving on to our concealer. Okay, now we're going to conceal and add some beautiful, beautiful brightness. So Radiant by ACB has these three colors, kind of like a light, medium, and deep. I actually like to use, for myself personally, I love the brightest one because I just love to be super, super bright, especially on stage. So I'm going to take my concealer and we're going to go down the bridge of our nose, right in the middle. I know this is so weird, right? To put on your foundation and then go and do this concealer. And then right in the middle of our forehead, and of course under our eye. And I'm just going to do a little eye lift there, like a little diagonal. I'm not doing like the super heavy V. Just a little there, just to give me some brightness. Just like that. And now we blend. So again, with our sponge, just gonna go ahead and just blend this out. Good, nice and bright. We're almost done, ladies. I told you this is so, so quick. So what I just did, I added my eyeliner, mascara, and this is from Radiant by ACB as well. If you wanted to, you could do an eyeliner on your top, give yourself a wing if that's what you want to do. And then, of course, you finish off with your lashes. I'm telling you, Radiant by ACB is so amazing. We've got liquid lipsticks, we have stick lipsticks, we have liners. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pretty red. I'm going to line my lips. And the hardest thing is choosing what color you want. Oh my goodness. I'm going to try this color right here. Take that. I'm going to show you what color it is. How pretty is that? So we've got that color. We've got a brighter red. And then we've got this mauve-y color here. Which one is your favorite? Aren't they all so pretty? Gorgeous. Love it. And if you want to, you can totally mix and match your colors. Like, you can totally customize this and make it all your own. So if you wanted to do like an ombre kind of thing, you can totally do that. You can follow up with your lipsticks, whatever you want to do. This is totally up to you. And I love how you can just mix and match, make your own colors, just have fun with it. Final steps, we are done. You're going to take your setting spray and just be careful of your tan. Put your robe on over you tight and just spritz yourself. It smells so good. Let that dry, then go get your hair done. Listen, honey, now you are ready to slay. Didn't I tell you that this makeup was going to be so super simple and so super easy? You can get the whole kit or you can get piece by piece, a la carte, whatever you need. The discount code to save is Erin C. ERIN and the letter C. I'm going to link it right up there. This makeup comes out beautifully every time. It's so easy. I'm so happy that you joined me on this makeup tutorial. Let me know if you do your competition makeup. I want to see it. I want to hear about it. Let me know. Bye.